yan yung entrance ng Taipei Zoo. I think they are already open. Tignan lang natin kung paano magbabayad. I think napanood ko kasi one time na pwede ka magbayad using your Easy Card. Hindi naman, cash na lang ay bayad natin. So let's see how it works.
So, including student not studying in Taiwan. Pay Italian without ticket.
So we pay
Sugar under 6
Yoyo card.